Welcome to Kay's Kitchen's YouTube channel.
Yay, she said it for me.
I know, because you always mess it up.
This is
Samara.
the lovely Samira, and I am Khadija. We're here trying to show you quick and easy recipes that you can make for your family and friends.
Perfect. You actually did it right this time.
I did. And today's recipe that I will be sharing with you is pink chai, which is Kashmiri tea.
Oh, I actually really like that sometimes.
I knew it. So I kept it as a surprise. She didn't know until now.
It's true. Wait, I hope you put sugar in it.
I will be adding sugar for you. Well, it won't be right without sugar.
Yeah, it wouldn't, because it doesn't taste right without sugar. Even though I don't usually have sugar in my hot drinks.
Yeah, then this one sugar.
Yeah, I will have to with this one. You might be wondering why I've got the cat ears
Biryani gun.
I went through a stage where I used to wear them every day, and then I started working in a new building, and it's kind of strict
really
there.
Did. Yeah.
So I don't wear them to work anymore, but I do wear them on the very odd occasion, and this is the second time this year.
So this is the odd occasion, basically.
Yeah, sorry guys. But yeah, I used to wear them all the time to the point where people used to buy them for me.
They really did.
And actually I got sick of them.
And me.
To be fair, as soon as I started wearing them,
so I let it be.
No, she used to tell me off all the time. And then her sister was like, "Here, look at what I bought for you."
She was encouraging her.
Yeah.
Naughty.
So her sister would buy them for me, and this one would be like, "Why are you doing this?"
But it's only because my niece, who is 9 years old, wears them too.
It's true, but a lot of the YouTube bloggers also wear them. So,
Chalo tu bhi na lo
and this is YouTube vlogging, so I thought they'd make a comeback.
Well, you look lovely today with it.
Oh, thank you. Then you, ish.
I love her. So, love is blind. Love is blind and all that.
Love is blind.
So yeah, Kashmiri pink tea. We are Kashmiri, big up Kashmiri people.
Okay, big up.
Don't be ashamed of who you are. One of the drinks that you can indulge in and just enjoy in the evening after a long hard day of going in and out in the freezing cold, and you could just enjoy even in the summer. It doesn't have to be just for winter. But I thought of this idea because actually a lot of people want to make this tea, and it can take 2 hours on your cooker to actually make this. Okay. But my tea is quick and simple and easy, and you can get this made within half an hour, and I will show you how.
Excited to try it.
So I'm going to go off into the kitchen and make you some lovely Kashmiri pink tea.
Go on then, what are you waiting for?
Alright, off we go then.
So here in the kitchen I will be showing you what you need for your Kashmiri pink chai. So 2 large cups of milk, and you need 4 large cups of water. There's half a teaspoon of salt in here. You've got 3 green cardamoms in here. You can always add more if you wish. And you've got a mixture of pistachio and almond nuts in here for garnishing. And you've got 1 teaspoon of your Kashmiri chai. So simple ingredients. Does it take long at all to cook? This is all that we need. So on high flame, all day guys, we're going to cook this through on high flame and in a large handi. You need this because obviously we have a lot of liquids that we will be using for the chai. So firstly we will add 3 large mugs here of water. We're just using 3 out of the 4 at the moment. Once you've added that, I will show you on the next step to add your Kashmiri chai, which is a 1 teaspoon. You need to let this brew for 10 minutes. You want to see the colour changing into a nice dark pink, and you will see that the water will start to evaporate. So don't worry, don't panic. That is exactly how it is supposed to look. Right now you can see that the water is nice and hot, it's boiling. You can add your Kashmiri chai, 1 teaspoon, on high flame for 10 minutes. Let that brew. Now you'll see very little amount of water in the next clip, and that's how it should look. If you feel that the colour is not coming out too soon, don't panic. So we've added 1/4 cup of water, and you can see quite a bit of water in there now, and it's boiling still on high heat. If the colour's not coming out, just add a little pinch bicarbonate of soda to this, just a small tiny pinch. It's just to help enhance that pink colour, just help it come through. So we're going to just drain this now, and whatever is left behind in the sieve, you can throw that away. We don't need that anymore. So we empty all of this into a bowl. There you go. So I've just given this a wash, and still on high heat, so you can see. And we are going to now add all of the milk into the pan. There goes all the milk. Now what I'm going to do is I'm only going to add some of the Kashmiri pink chai content that we've made, just some of it, and the rest of it, what I'm going to do is let it cool off, put it in a container and place it in the fridge for me to have the next day. If you are a regular Kashmiri pink chai drinker and you feel like you don't have the time to do this every day, even this is like the quick version of it, but tastes exactly the same, then this is one handy tip for you. So you don't have to pour the whole thing in. It still gives that same amount of flavour. There's so much flavour in the pink Kashmiri chai that we've been brewing. You can add just some of it in, half of it maybe, half of the content, that's what I did, and then save the rest for the next day. And all you need to do again is boil some milk the next day and add the rest of the content, some sugar in there, and you're good to go. So we're going to let this brew until the milk becomes thicker, it looks creamier, and you got this beautiful aroma from it, this lovely smell, this beautiful colour. There you can see it's thickening, a bit of malai at the top, and there you can see the bubbles coming through. Once you see that, you could turn your gas off and pour it into a lovely fancy cup like mine. There you go, you can see that really light pink colour. So I'm going to garnish it now with some extra like that, and why not? So I'm going to garnish it with my pistachio and almond, and I'm going to hand this over to Sam. It smells and looks great, guys.
So here it is, guys. I'm not going to have the cup of tea because again it's just too much lifting the scarf and doing all of that. And so I'm going to let Samira taste it. I've already tasted it, of course, because I need to taste my stuff.
It's nice and hot, but it's not too hot that I'm going to burn myself. So let's try this stuff.
So she thinks.
Oh, that's nice. And it's not overly sweet. It is a good amount. It's nice. I could drink a couple of cups of this.
So you like it then?
It is nice, yeah.
Nice and creamy.
Nice and creamy, definitely.
And you can smell it. I
You
love
can.
that.
It's got the proper Kashmiri tea smell.
Yeah, because obviously you have to let this brew. It's one of those, you know, it's not like English tea, is it? Just water and milk quick time. It is one of those that you cook. It's literally like a handi that you cook.
But that was good. I feel quite full.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. This is the way you make Kashmiri pink chai really quick. It doesn't have to be a 2-hour job. You can just literally make it like that. It smells and tastes exactly the same as the one as if you were to take 2 hours to make it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this, Samira tasting it and us having a chat about it. And of course, if you have enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click on the bell button, which will give you the notification of any other videos that we will upload, including our vlogs, which is
Modern Muslim Beauties. I was like, what is
it? I hope you guys have enjoyed yourself. Please support us in this because we make a lot of effort, a lot of work goes into this, and we do enjoy it. To be fair, we love it. Inshallah, guys, we will see you soon.
Yeah. See you soon, guys.
Bye.